Changing your legal name on DocuSign is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your DocuSign account. Access your DocuSign account by entering your credentials on the DocuSign website. Make sure you are using the account where you need to change your name. Step 2. Navigate to your profile settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and select My Preferences or Account Settings from the drop-down menu to access your profile settings. Step 3. Update your legal name. In the profile settings, look for the section labeled Name or Personal Information. Here you can enter your new legal name. Make sure to double-check for any spelling errors before saving the changes. Step 4. Save changes. After entering your new name, find the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Step 5. Verify the update. Log out of your account and then log back in to confirm that your legal name has been updated successfully. Check your profile settings again to ensure the new name appears correctly. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on DocuSign. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DocuSign support for assistance.